this one, I'm going to grab this color for the crease, maybe a little bit of lid with this one, and then this on the outer V. Ooh, I don't know. I don't even know what to do because it's so pretty. I literally do not know what to do. Let me know if you guys want to see some more color combos. I'm just going to do something simple and fast today because that's the goal, is a fast get ready with me type video. So I'm just gonna go for it. But if you see any color combos that you want to do, you can just use this one as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and like that all the way down, and choose your numbers. Let me know and I will do that. We're gonna call this the Phoenix palette challenge. So challenge me to colors. You'd be surprised. I'm very good at creating colors on my eyes. I gave it to you, honey. The only thing I don't like about this palette is already there's so much fallout, but it is so worth it. Like, I really don't care about the fallout. It's my palette. When it comes to clients, then yes, I would care about fallout because it just looks dirty and it dirties up the palette, dirties up a lot, and it wastes makeup. But when it comes to doing this on myself and it's my palette, you get what you pay for. I mean, if the payoff is this pigment, then yeah, we chilling out here. We ain't complaining about no fallout. Look how pretty.
So circle both of them?
Just circle 5. I'm gonna switch up my blending brush because I feel like
Number 2.
I want to be a little more precise in the crease with this color. I want to build it, not blend it out so much. I've learned throughout the years how to save product when it comes to fallout.
You do an X on the addition, and you do a circle around the
subtraction.
Circle the plus. Put an X on them.
See, the pointier and the more precise the blending brush is, the more product you get on there, and then you can blend it out later.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Mom life, guys. Luna's sleeping. I'm doing homework with Romeo and doing my makeup to try to get content out there.
What do you have to do? So you just have to show how many yellow and how many red?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, one.
But only in the last one.
Yeah, I'm doing it in the last
Okay, okay. One with the same brush because I just want to see what it looks like right here. So pretty.
Hey, wait, what is this one?
Which one? Oh, I don't know. Bring it to me. Okay, let me continue with his homework. I'll be right back. So I just spoke and I did a whole thing and I didn't even record anything, so I'm just gonna say it real quick. Just so you guys know, I just cut my crease off camera because I was helping Romeo with doing homework while I was cutting my crease. But if you guys want a tutorial on how I cut my crease and what I use, just let me know down in the comments and I'll do a full video on that as well. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm gonna be setting it with translucent, so I'm not putting any more color on my lid. The colors that I used were that mustard in the middle right there. Then I put this olive green one in my crease, And then this dark, it looks black, but it definitely has some green in it. Or I'm tripping. I don't know. I might be tripping, y'all, but okay. So, yeah. Okay guys, so after this my daughter woke up and I didn't record anymore, but this is basically it. After I added this pop of yellow, I did liner, lashes, lipstick, and called it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I try to make it as easy as possible, but anyway, don't forget to challenge me in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching.